Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a subdomain within cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be using this support topic to help me with this, since I do not have access to a domain at the moment, so I'm blocked from using cPanel. But pretty much the process is very simple, as you can see here. First thing you need to do is log into cPanel, of course, and the way you do this is you go and enter your URL in the top. In the URL bar, you need to enter the either server IP address with the :2083 port, which is the port for cPanel, or you can type in your domain address, which you can also use with the port 2083, or you can enter /cPanel, and that'll take you to the login. Once you log in, you just need to go into the domain section, click on domains, and then create a new domain. Then enter the subdomain name to add in the domain text box. Then deselect the share document root with domain TLD. Enter the directory where you want the files for this subdomain to exist, and then click on the submit button. And after that, you should be good to go. And that's pretty much how you create your subdomain. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.